Hello everybody, welcome to this new series on my channel,
What are you doing?
and I will be calling it recording myself pooping on the floor to see if people like it. Just kidding. The episode, what we're going to do is we are going to get as much gold as we can, much company coins, until we can buy a new animal. So the animal has to be one of these, but it can also be the ones you can only get from in there. But I think these are the cheaper ones. We might do, I don't know if we could do a 6,000 or a 4,000. Because I don't have the cat, and that's a 4,000, so I think we'll try and get the cat. And then, if it doesn't get me enough views, or if it gets me too many views and it's super successful, then I'll do another ride, try to afford the mole, because I really do want the mole. It's pretty cool. Also, something I want to acknowledge, they added a light inside the selling machine right here. It's just like a heavenly light. Ah. I think I've got everything I need. So, hold on, turn up my mic. Let's go into the mines for our first ever episode. So I think this episode we're just gonna do a little bit of common stuff. Also, these can give you company coins, so I'm gonna be getting these. Oh, no, research point. Right now we're at 129. Just a bit of a boost. And this will be those are our first company coins ever. So keep mining. I think these are still possible to do it as well. Oh, this is just one shot. Ooh. That's the VSH tape from mines. I don't know why it's in the air. I think they wanted to make it like so it had to fall down. I've got another research point, bro. Now this place is great. I think in future episodes, what I'm going to do is I'll put down sticky dynamite and just attach it to all these big things that are. I know this will be a lot, and it will be a lot quicker. But we will also try some other ways, like lava map. Let's see if lava gives it to me, stuff like that, and seeing if we can get it with basically every door. That's also when you go, seeing if we can get it with every door in the game, except the teleporter, because that only makes you teleport. Yeah, we're seeing if we can get, because I know every all gives you something. Yeah, the main thing, maybe like, I don't know, clicking on objects. But all of them can definitely give you company. Right. Spider! Die, spider. That was our first monster ever killed. RPG ammo, that's a pretty good item, so I will put in my bag. Or I hate RPG ammo, you can't do the thing where you just put the bag over it. You have to like actually put it in. It's really annoying. Anyways, that's here. We got a shield. I think I'm alright. Got that. Yeah, we're definitely gonna break stuff down in the future. And I think also the goal for each episode would be to unlock an item. And yeah, once you can unlock all the items, I'll be using. Anyway, that's enough for now. Let's go back to spawn. So we have, we start 126. We have had quite a bit. Now, normally what I would do is I would just sell this RPG ammo. But what I'm going to do, normally in PvP lobbies, you'll find just unloaded RPGs on the ground for when people shoot them. So I think I'm going to do that, load it, and it'll sell for more. Big brain.
I just punched my
No,
stomach.
you don't have a. Hey, give that back to him.
None of them in
You're a
this
big
server.
Buddy, you literally eat 200. I just
Give that back to him.
what about that?
Let's try the next server.
Bet.
Oh,
What do you have first? What do you have first? Rocket, bet.
lobbies are so nice now. Like they're not mean at
Well,
all.
then watch this.
Like, lobbies are so nice now. Like I remember in the old days.
Shut up.
See, like people used to
No,
be mean now.
no.
Yo, guys, whoever kills the purple cat first, purple cat
I
first,
didn't put you in the
gets
stocks. I
my
didn't put you in the stocks,
time
did I?
bomb.
It's what you
You
get.
need to kill a
Alright,
purple
then.
I know,
cat.
but I didn't put you in the
Yo,
stocks,
yo,
did I?
got
yo,
shotgun,
I gotta,
so I'm not
yo, guys. Whoever kills the purple cat first gets a.
Let's go.
Bro, how do you become a banana?
Oh,
looks
let's
sick.
go.
I
I got
haven't
my
seen that before.
VHG. I got my little tape. It looks my tape.
You got another one. Aww.
I love the tapes.
Woo, I'm out.
There's not that many. There's not that many.
That guy took it from me.
Why are you a banana?
How do you... Bro, I was just in this... Wait, can I have one, please? I've never had those before.
What the hell is that?
Please?
Where'd you
Just
get it
one,
as
just
well?
one. I just want to try it.
Oh, that's how you turn into a banana.
Can I please have
Please,
it
can I
back?
have
Bun-
that?
Hold on,
I
let me
love
just.
report the
Yeah.
crowd.
I never turned into a
Alright.
banana.
You can
It's
never fuck
okay
someone
if you
who
don't,
didn't
if you
do
don't want to
anything.
give it to us. That's okay.
I'm just
Yo,
gonna
can I
go
get one,
see
please?
something.
Bro, that's sick. I'm gonna see if like there's gonna be a giveaway. People giving them away.
I'll see what I got. I can
Okay,
leave this
wait.
thing.
We have this, but that's not an RPG. That's a crossbow. Doesn't.
Oh, I
count.
don't have anything.
I'm gonna check in the stages because people like to battle a lot there. Maybe a little bit risky. Yeah, maybe. Nobody kill me, please.
Okay. This is only for my protection.
Run, green capybara.
I just want this.
Green capybara, run.
I don't want to hurt you. I need to get the heck out of here. I got what I came in for. Whew. Okay, we got the unloaded RPG. Oh, I almost died then. One shot with a
Blue,
shotgun.
you're trade. I'll give you some
Yeah.
rare, bro. Blue, I trade. You want to trade?
Sorry guys, I'm
Blue,
covering
What?
cold right now.
I trade you.
Look pretty
I
bad.
traded this, Blue. I
For
traded.
what?
Alright, let's
I
go
traded
back to a
this.
private code
But hold
and
on.
make some
Stop it.
money. Load it. Now it should sell for more. Maybe a bit hard to fit in there. Apparently, in the OG days, this was the top seller, like the best selling item in the game. Bro, really? That's embarrassing. Apparently, it was the top selling item. Also, look, I'm rich. Flexing, I'm rich. Right. Also, we're gonna do the daily unlocking of items. So, I think today we are going to get. What did that say? Oh, what was the crossword? Glove umbrella. Even more pockets. I think we'll do even more pockets. So much easier to navigate with a grappler. So I'm looking for Maori. I love that Maori, it's one of my favourite items. Just wanted a quick snack. That, oh wow, that's a bit high up, isn't it? Alright, let's do this. Hey, what's up, danger? Ah, what's up, danger? Like, what's up, danger? Uh-oh. It's up battery's low. What's up, danger? Uh-oh. Let's buy this! Woo, we did it! So, oh my gosh, that is a fall. I should do like an Animal Company movie up here. That would be so that would be so cool. Bro, like, there should be more movies that, like, use the tech tree. Because it could be used for a lot of stuff. Especially with all the lava, then you don't have to go to lava now. Oh my gosh. Oh my, what the heck happened to my grappler? That was weird. I was like, I've got a few tapes. Can you grab the tapes? No. What's foundation? What's that? I think I have all the haunted house. I think we'll also try and get the VSH tape every single time. And I think we'll try with the haunted house today. I have all the stuff I need for it. Because I just want to make these videos a little longer. Because, like, just making videos for, like, getting a couple of coins so we can afford an animal is kind of boring. So we're going to add some extra stuff. Just to make it a little more fun. I'm excited. Uh-oh, I'm cooked. I escaped. I like this one. Because the red light, green light is like a light. But yes, it's what I don't like that kind of Wait, there it is! There's the VSH tape. Why is it keep hurting me, bro? Anyway, we got it. We got the loot, boys. We got the loot. Let's get the heck out of here. Did it just say like memes are not that loud yet? Why does it keep hurting me, bro? Like I didn't even do anything. Anyways, we got this one. I cannot see a thing. Well, I mean, I can see something, but not. Anyways, we got it. We got the haunted house one. It was actually like near to where the entrance is. I always want to find the right one. Haunted house. Get some money. And now we can see what it actually looks like. Yo, that's sick. So you can see this is the actual haunted house here. And then it goes down and that's the big heart. Wow, it is actually a heart. I didn't know. I thought it was just a ball. It's actually a heart. And then this is the big orb. Wait, that part's upside down? Bro, that's weird. So... Wait, what? Oh, no, so you'd go in here and then you get taken to the other place. I think that's all of the ones for Forest. This one. I got quite a few of them. I'm just missing, not the sewers ones. I don't have any of the sewers ones. Wait, that's just like on the top of sewers, isn't it? I wonder if I don't even have to go that far down. Hold on, if we're going into sewers, we should probably bring a light. Also, they need to like make it so that worm thing is less OP, bro. Cause I hate that worm, bro. I think people have understood now that you have to look at it for it to attack you. Like, it doesn't just roam around attack whenever it wants. I doubt it will be in here mainly because it would just be so hard to get. I really don't know where it would be in here. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I am what you would call cooked. My game's lagging. There's vomit on my sweater already. Mum's spaghetti. I have no idea what to do. Wait, there's a pipe up here. Maybe I could like, there we go. Oh, this is so risky. I don't know what I did there. I guess the goal is to get him on green light. Yeah, this guy is not calming down. He is the biggest crash out lonesome man. I am, yeah, I'm what you would call cooked. Oh, phone's on. Anyways, I'm rich. Bro, it's so hard to get it in sewers, bro. Anyways, that's the end of this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. Yes, and I will only do a part 2 if this video gets 2 likes. If this video gets 2 likes, only 2, I will do a part 2 because 2 likes, and then for part 3, 3 likes. Anyways, my headset battery is very low apparently, so I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.